This is the solution for the challenge I called selecting with the where clause, where I'm just asking you to perform 5 little select statements with where clauses. And let's go ahead and tackle these one by one. So let's create a new query here. We can use first or second database since they're the same at this point. And the first one is to find, let's bring it back here, find the row for the book 1984. That should be easy enough. So select star from, and here we might go books, select star from books, just to get started. And we can use this kind of as the starting point, right? But I want to select specifically where the title equals 1984. We'll see if that clause will narrow it down correctly, and it does. We're able to find the row where the title is 1984. Great. Now, before I showed you how to comment out using the multi-line comment, I'm going to show you one other way to do this as well, which is a little bit more convenient for single line statements. It's just 2 dashes. 2 dashes at the beginning of the line will comment out a line of code. All right. So we can do this solution for part 1. Little comment there for our memory. In fact, let's do this a little bit better. Let's do this one. Find the row for the book 1984. Okay. So number 2, let's go find the authors added before December 1, 2016. And so here we're going to go select star from authors. Start off at a very high level, just to refresh my memory what I'm looking at here, and then I can come back and say where the date added is before December 1st. So I want to use the December 1, 2016, and that should give us back 3, right? Kurt Vonnegut's record, Ernest Hemingway, and George Orwell. Awesome. Comment that out. Let's go down to number 3. Here we want to find the books published by HarperCollins, and I said this is a little bit unfair because you would probably not do it this way, and the reason why you wouldn't do it this way is because we're going to find that we can create a join between 2 tables, which will be a little bit more elegant than what I'm about to show you. The down and dirty way is this. First of all, I'm going to start with the publishers table. I'm going to find what I'm looking for, select star from publishers. All right, and so I'm looking for record with the publisher ID equal to 2. All right, so that's the cheater's way to do it, right? You wouldn't want to do that in reality. But now we can do select star from books where publisher ID equals 2, and that should give us those books that were published by HarperCollins, Grapes of Wrath and Old Man and the Sea. Awesome. Okay. Number 4, find books that do not have an image name. All right. And so if you recall what we did before, so from books where image name is not null, like so. And that should give us 4 of the 5 back. The only one that does have it is what? Record is that? I don't remember. Okay. I think it was the last one, Grapes of Wrath. Yeah, that one's not in there. Okay, great. And then the last one, the last of the challenges, was to find books that are between $6 and $8. This is easy, right? So we're going to go select star from books where price is greater than 6 and price is less than 8. That should be easy enough, right? And there we go. We get 2 of them. Old Man of the Sea is $6.99 and 1984 is $7.99. And so we've satisfied that as well. And so I'll tell you what we're going to do. We're going to save this, and I'm going to actually make this to SQL 2016-017 because that's the current video we are on. Save that onto the desktop. We've got it. and you should be able to download that file and look at it yourself without the video. Okay, that's pretty easy, right? It was easy to filter out rows using the where clause. You can get it a little bit more complicated, learn some other things like, some other operators and some other terms like what else can you do? Well, we could maybe search using does it start with the letter A, for example. There are ways to do searches like that, but a lot of that will be in an advanced course on Transact SQL here on DevU. This should get you far enough for the moment. Let's continue on and look at the T-SQL that we'll need to update the data in our tables and then also delete data from our tables. All right? See you in the next video. Thanks.